There are a lot of gadgets out there that are illegal and need to be banned from usage. Why are they illegal? Stick around as we discuss 10 of the numerous illegal gadgets out there selling. Before we get started, know that we aren't implying that the producers intentionally make the gadgets we are about to discuss to perpetrate evils. Still, they can do so. If it gets into the wrong hands, it will be fatal. Number 1. The Wasp Knife. This gadget is designed to inject high-pressure gas into a wound space through a hole in the blade instead of using gas to propel the blade forward. It will then expand and freeze the wound, inflicting more damage to the target. This vicious double whammy of sharpened steel and freezing gas is designed to dispatch marauding undersea predators quickly. This 5.25-inch tactical blade hides a catastrophic 1-2 punch. A flick of a button can inject a beast as great as shark with an 800 psi blast of compressed air, and it will decimate the interior of anything it is injected into, with the rest left floating up to the surface. The effects of this compressed gas not only cause overinflation during ascent when underwater, but also freezes all organs and tissues surrounding the point of injection on land or at sea. With all this potential for harm, if this gadget gets into the wrong hands, it can stab random objects on dry land and then make them explode or even turn the Wasp Knife on an innocent creature for non-defense purposes. This gadget is worth its price of $600 with the rate of harm it could cause, so it's illegal. Number 2. EMT Paintball Sentry Turret. This gadget is another illegal gadget that shouldn't be on the market. It's a halo-worthy killer capable of shooting 30 rounds per second. It can be operated from hundreds of feet away using a wireless remote controller with an LCD showing live color feeds from the gun-mounted camera. It is illegal in virtually all forms of competitive paintball. The EMT is not some glorified sloppy shot brass eagle. Integrated vibration dampener plus tilt mechanisms make rounds fired from this gadget highly accurate. So, with the amount of paint the EMT can unload, you would face accusations of assault or disturbing the peace of your welt-covered victims if they want to press charges. The gadget isn't a cheap one to get as it costs $2,000. Number 3. Fibre Laser Marking System. This may look cool, but this portable laser can sear images onto rock, metal, and glass. Fibre Laser Marking System is a portable, high-powered laser originally designed to etch graphics into industrial surfaces like stone, metal, and glass. This gadget may lack the charm of spray paint, but it makes up for it by running on a car battery, and it can also etch almost any graphic you can load on an SD card. This gadget may assist you immensely in defacing public property, which might be bad for you. Etching out graphics on some materials may not go well for the owner or government. Also, if this gadget is being used for another thing apart from its main reason for making, it is an illegal gadget that should be taken off the market. Number 4. Lil Butty LB110. The Lil Buddy is a self-contained, self-powered, portable telephone test set for installers, repair technicians, and other authorized personnel for temporary communications and the operational service and installation of telephone lines. However, don't let the name and function fool you. This gadget isn't your friend at all. The result won't be pleasant if you get caught tapping into a phone line with it illegally. You don't have to work for the National Security Agency to listen to other people's phone calls. A handset like the Lil Butty LB110 is enough to do the trick. This easy-to-find gadget is the cornerstone of tapping a phone line. All it takes is hooking the handset's alligator clamps to a set of exposed telephone wires and cincing up the handset. Once on the line, you can eavesdrop on conversations and even record them. We are saying that a device made to interfere with people's private matters isn't a legal gadget from the start and should be banned. You might be using it to run diagnostics on your phone line, but if you are caught mistakenly using an unauthorized line, you might be charged with wiretapping. It sells for $94. Number 5. Sonar 2 Burner. The main ingredient in any violet laser is the laser diode, which emits a coherent beam of light. It is quite different from the technology of the very first lasers. Sonar 2 Burner by Wicked Lasers is a significantly more powerful version of the lasers found in Blu-ray players. This 6-inch tool doesn't have to compensate for anything, as it can light matches, burn holes through the paper, and melt the plastic. It can also burn through retinas and garbage bags with equal aplomb. Now, look at the possibility of damage this small gadget can do. With that powerful laser, it can even damage one's skin. More so, law enforcement agencies are less enthused over power handheld lasers. It costs $1,999. Number 6. HackRF One. A gadget that allows thieves to break into your cars with electronic locks isn't good, or is it? Priced at $379. This device lets criminals intercept the radio signal from the key as a car owner unlocks the vehicle. It is then downloaded to a laptop, and the thieves will transmit the stolen signal to break in when the owner leaves it unattached. HackRF One is a radio device that that works up to 30 feet away, keeping the crook hidden. This gadget from Great Scott Gadgets is a software-defined radio peripheral cable for the reception of radio signals from 1 MHz to 6 GHz. It is designed to enable test and development of modern and next-generation radio technologies. It is also an open-source hardware platform that can be used as a USB peripheral or programmed to stand operation. HackRF also has an injection molded plastic enclosure and ships with a micro USB cable, so a gadget that gives a chance to thieves to perpetrate evils shouldn't be sold, which isn't legal either. Number 7. Wiphone. Wiphone is a VoIP mobile phone designed for hackers and makers to easily modify, repurpose, and adapt. This Wiphone is a unique phone designed to enable hackers by making it easy to extend and modify the electronics and software. Wiphone uses Wi-Fi to make HD voice calls for free. This means there is no need for service contracts as long as you use them. It solves these problems and gives hackers the tool they all wish for. It packaged nicely with direct access to I/O, an easy-to-program ESP32 processor. All the basics are already set up, including the user interface, working code, power management, and on/off the circuit. However, hackers often use this device and don't seem too nice, making it illegal. It sells for $114. Number 8. Pavashot Stickshot. Stickshot is a revolutionary gadget that changes the self-defense market. Pavashot has developed a very effective, high-powered alternative to pepper spray. Stickshot protects a 50-foot path because of its unique plume technology. It will disperse in the direction of the barrel for 50 feet, creating a barrier between you and the threat. There is even no need to have a direct hit for effectiveness. A PAVA aerosol powder that uses synthesized 16 million Scoville capsaicin is engineered into this gadget, and it can neutralize threats and modify the behavior of assailants immediately. Its load is filled with 6 grams of 0.5% PAVA, but can be upgraded with a higher strength load. This gadget is equipped with a twist safety protector and trigger safety. It also expels high-velocity aerosol powder, mitigating any blowback it can cause to the user. It is said that this device requires no license or background check because it abides by the rules and regulations of ordinary pepper spray, but it can turn illegal if used for anything other than self-defense. Number 9. Taser Bolt. The Taser Bolt is an energy weapon that is one of your newest self-defense gadgets. The Bolt 2 can help you establish up to 15 feet of safety and provide up to 30 seconds of full lockup on an attacker. If this device is paired with the Axon Protect app, it can alert emergency dispatch when your device is fired. The design of this Bolt 2 is more discreet than having the profile of a firearm. It has a built-in safety cap and a flash on/off selector, which, when triggered, will release the safety cap and turn on the light. In short, this is the next generation of self-defense. Still, this $449 gadget is illegal because its 30 seconds full lockup on attackers opposes the 5 seconds for law enforcement. Number 10. Srtyh listening device. Srtyh is a spy listening bug designed very small so that it can be hidden and unnoticed. This $21 gadget can be used for pipeline side leaking, water detection, and eavesdropping behind walls. It comes with a high-sensitivity metal probe and an earphone, making it more sensitive and sound quality. It is a compact device with a headphone jack, charging hole, and upper switch knob. It comes with a strong built-in lithium battery. This device is illegal if it is used to listen to or record the conversation of others without their knowledge. And if someone is found guilty of this, the result will be unpleasant. So it is best to abandon gadgets that could result in problems later on. And those are some of the illegal gadgets you can get. But as good state citizens, we shouldn't be the perpetrator of evil through these gadgets. What do you think about these gadgets? Let's know in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to see more of our videos. Thanks.